The Little Shop of Physics has been in existence for 22 years. It started out as an experiment by our director, Brian Jones, and it's a traveling science experience, as you can see in the background here.
Look, let me show you.
Because what's really cool is that physics applies to pretty much everything we do on a day-to-day basis, but it's not exactly instantly recognizable unless you know what you're looking for.
Certain law, you have to use a lot of math for that, and you got to know that well in order to do stuff. Like if you're going to be a scientist, you got to know a lot of science in order to become a scientist, or math, or something that's to do with math. You got to know a lot of math. Those are important subjects.
I'm broken.
I think that this is an opportunity for them to make the connections from what's being taught in the classroom to they're actually seeing it in action. Right now I was with some of the students and they were wondering what the string was doing floating with the air and how that connection was made. Well, this is the time to bring up the terminology, the science terms, let them know what you learned in the classroom, this is what it is.
I didn't know what to expect when I came. I just thought there was going to be science stuff and that you were doing chemical explosions and stuff. That's what I thought. But this was different and I liked it a lot.
I think science is important for kids to learn and understand, and I want to make it exciting for them to kind of hook them and bring them in and get them excited about it.
I feel like Little Shop of Physics' approach is really neat, and it helps me as a teacher doing my day job, doing my normal teaching. I learned so much from the kids and I become a better teacher because of it.
And so our goal is to show students that you can do all these great science experiments with daily, household, everyday items, and that science is everywhere around you.
HESTEC has just been amazing. The university and all the volunteers and students and everyone are just so passionate about teaching the kids and educating them. And I've had a lot of fun. I felt really welcomed, and I've learned a lot from the kids here.
We have experiments that have to do with all different subjects of science in the physics area, such as electricity, energy, waves, motion, atmospheric science, light and color, you name it, we have it, magnetism, all those different things.
And kids are natural scientists, and they want to learn science, and you just have to let them.
My boss told me some wise information once. He said that when we work with kids, it's easy for them to see that we're smart, but it's more important that we help them realize they're smart. And I thought that was really a wise thing. And I think that's happening here at HESTEC. And they see the opportunities of things they can be in the future. And it's fantastic.